Hello and welcome to my home. Today I'm going to talk to you about two things you should not do when you're trying to grow beets in your containers, and I'll show you what happens when you do those two things. But before we go there, I want to let you know I have other types of videos on my channel. I have easy to prepare recipes, product reviews, meditation videos, and other videos on growing a variety of vegetables in containers. So let's go harvest some beets. Okay, it's the moment of truth to see if these beets are ready and what they're looking at like. I've seen some peeking up out the ground. So let me go ahead. I'm just going to, and I did water this pot just to soften it up. And I'm going to kind of wiggle and see what I got. Here's one beet. I could have left that in the ground longer, but I'm going to eat it. Put that in the basket. Now this one, see if you can see, I'm going to give you a closer look at this one. Now this one is pretty much sitting up on top of the ground, so it should really be a nice one. Yeah, that's a nice one. Nice and ruby red. I like that beet. It's on the small side, but we're going to eat it just the same. Nice, I'm sure it's nice and tender. See if I got another one. Now one thing I'm noticing is I probably did not thin my beets out so that they can spread out and get bigger, but this is going to be eaten. Very pretty. I think I'm going to let the rest of these get a little bigger in the ground. Sorry for the background noise, but this is a neighborhood. And that's it. So you can grow beets in containers. You just need to thin them out more than what I did. They should be about 3 inches apart from each other, but I chose to use this container, and I chose not to thin them out more than what I did. But I'm still happy. It's nice and fresh, and they're beautiful looking. So that's it in a nutshell. There are certain things that you need to do. It's not really difficult. Just remember to thin out your beet seedlings before they get too big, so that your beets will have enough room to grow and expand. Make sure you wait until the beets are peaking up above the soil level. That lets you know that it's time to pick them. You can pull them earlier, but they're going to be small, and which might be good for pickling if you want to pickle, baby beets. But basically, you need to let them, grow to full maturity by letting them show you that they're ready when they show what they call the shoulders of the beets above the ground. If you like that video, hit the thumbs up like button and consider subscribing to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you know when I've uploaded a new video. That's it for now. Bye bye.